So when we talk about many moons, you remember the book Many Moons. There is a small story. A baby is there, princess. She remembers. The boy was shouting. The book, the great offer, as it is raining, there is a great offer. 3,000 book, only 300. Oh my God, you are shouting like that. And he was attracted those words. What are those words?
300.
What a book. And he stopped suddenly. He gave 300 and he just took the book.
But it is only 3 rupees.
300 rupees. The bookseller is eagerness and enthusiasm. I am interested to read books. I am sure I just desensitized towards a baby, a girl who was 3 years with a white apron. She was just watching the mobile. And what happened after 5 minutes? There was a call for his father. He took the phone. What will be?
Once again.
Jack and Jill went up to a hill. This is my poem. This is my poem. Jack and Jill went up a hill to deliver something to his old bill. Who is the old grandfather? Somebody else. Now, if you are not reading books, you say, I don't read books, but I read books now. Or I read books from others. Undo, I don't read books. Shall I show you? Who is the come here? Will you play? No. You cannot come here. You don't say, I want to read. Let's see. If you send the picture like all of this one, Ravi is so easy and he's going to catch us. Easy enough. I'm sure you things explain. Essentially, for understanding and learn. Don't take it. I'm not so excited for it, so he wants to work with you. It's family. Even what is it? What is that? House. This is a house.
Abbreviation formed from the initial. For example, my name is Janaki Devi. Janaki.
My name is Padmavati. Here, P for flute, A for active, D for day, M for Messi, A for effort, B for victory, A for attitude, T for truth, H for honest, I for intelligence.
So let us see them. So activities, games, they create a lot of interest.
Madam, sorry, it's a 3. Final 3 and Chalina.
So it's okay, no problem, madam.
Obediently.
If rains, take an umbrella.
You look like a piece of race.
In society, sometimes in our personal life also, some wonderful miracles will be happen in some situations. Yeah, they are lessons for others also. Like example, some other examples, I motivated them, try to be attend in the classroom and try to listen to the classes. Participate at mandal level. Fortunately, that is the strategy, classroom strategy. Okay, let's move to analogy, analytical pictures,
Right.
我真的好爱你，我愿意改变自己，我愿意为你背负。